Welcome back to the NASCAR 14 Season 2, everybody. Right now I'm going to do race 2 of 36. I'm here at Phoenix International Raceway for the running of the Subway Fresh Fit 500. So last week at Daytona, I could have got the win, but I pulled away from the pack. I was slow, didn't have enough time to reach up to Harvick. It was a close finish. Hopefully I can do better here. I qualified for the pole again. So, so let's see what will happen. So make sure you subscribe, like, turn on the bell, guys. Please, I need your support. So let's get this this is a new series. So here at Phoenix. So as you see the leaderboard up there, we're gonna go for 16 laps here at this, in the Wild West, in the desert. Well, I qualify on the pole again. Jimmy Johnson starts second. Kurt Busch starts third. And Joey Logano starts fourth. There's the winner if you win here. Hopefully I can do that again. We'll try and get that trophy. Pace car goes down pit road. Me and Johnson will lead us down to the green flag. We're set to go for 16 laps here at Phoenix. I don't even know how I got the pole. I should have qualified like 8th or something. But anyways, so green flag's underway here at Phoenix. So let's get this race started. Coming to turn 4, I lead the first lap, and Kurt Busch is looking in the inside of me. My car is tight, I can't turn well in the corners. It's kind of difficult for me. I always go up the racetrack in the corners here at this track. I had to slow down there. My car was going too high, and Kurt Busch leads the second lap. I'm trapped on the outside lane. Man, my car's tight. I can't turn in the corners. That's a problem. I popped the outside wall. Oh no, 3 wide. I don't want to be up here anymore. Oh my god. I need to go back to the inside lane. The inside right here. Here we go. Alright, back in the inside. Man, you guys go so slow. And Kenseth goes around. Paul Menard kind of went airborne there. I mean, it's kind of my fault that I turned them, but at the same time, they all go so slow. What am I supposed to do there? This is how in every NASCAR race is. Like, look at this. There's a wreck. So I'm gonna be third. Yup. I didn't even mean to do that to him. Alright then. Lap 6 of 16. Green flag under the way again. Gonna make it 3 wide into turn 1. Using the dog leg as my advantage. I keep going off the racetrack. Vickers goes around and we gonna have another wreck. Oh no. We saved it. We all saved it. Nope, there's a spin behind us. God, I got tight in turn 3 and Vickers turned me, and then we're all just wrecking. Stenhouse goes around, we all saved it. How am I gonna be now? 16. Oh my god. So I'm gonna restart 14 on the outside lane. we go, green flag. I want to go to the inside if someone gives me room. Like I said, I don't perform well here too much. I mainly finish in the top 10, top 20-ish at this place. Oh my god, so far I'm in the top 15 to the bottom. Okay, so far so good. Man, they're going too slow. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm gonna use the dogwood. Alright, into the top 10 again. Here comes Austin. No, he doesn't. Okay. Tony Stewart is leading. Oh my god. My car is so tight. I can't turn. Johnson is leading. Oh, Boyer! Oh my god, I'm gonna fall back again, right? And there's a wreck. Boyer was so slow. I can't just always... Alright then. My car was tight. I came out the racetrack, all of a sudden Boyer just came up into me. Alright. Somehow my car is still in good shape. I do got some damage at the sides and in the back of my car, so I'm gonna qualify 10th on the outside lane. So there's gonna be 5 laps to go. I'm gonna try and make a move to the bottom, but I don't want to wreck anyone at the same time. Can I take the bottom here? No, I can't. I want to use the dog. Nice, sorry, Henry. Turn 3 and 4. I don't know if I'm gonna get there in time. If my car has a problem. As we're coming 4 laps to go here. My car is tight. I just can't. Right back in the top 5. My car's tight. As Tony Stewart takes the lead now. I'm gonna go take the lead like this. This might be another close finish here, folks. Johnson goes around. Green, white checker. Gosh darn it. Alright, the camera has been cutted. Okay, so as I said, green, white checker. 2-lap shootout. I hope I don't choke here. Tony Stewart and Austin Dillon lead us down. As long as we don't have another caution, this should take us to the end. I had nowhere in the bottom. As I said, my car keeps going up the track, so that's why I had to wreck. So here we go again. And Dillon goes to the back. Can I get the win here at Phoenix after what happened at Daytona? Here we go into turn 3 and 4. I take the lead. Oh, my car is tight. And that's a disadvantage. My car's tight. That's what I thought. White flag's out. Final lap here. Truex and Stewart passed me. Nice. Truex is leading out of turn 1. I'm stuck in the outside lane. I can't get much grip. Here we go in turn 3. Oh no, 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 no. Oh shoot. Here we go. Tony Stewart wants to race and I finished 14th. And that was horrible.